how to see when you started following someone on Instagram. So tap on your Instagram application here. There is no information, or there is no option where you can really see the exact date and time that you have followed the person. But they will give you the month range that you have been following the person. So for example, this account. Now before that, if you scroll up here, you'll see this Instagram here, right? Under your home page. So if you click on that, make sure that you are on the Instagram, not on your following or not on your favorites. So now go to your Instagram and look for the account that you want to check when have you started following. So let's say this account. So all you have to do is on the right side of that post, you'll see three dots. Click on that and tap on why you're seeing this post. Now, here, that is because you followed this person for 10 months. So it just simply subtract the present month and then 10 months. So that would be around February or March that I have started following that person. And basically that is it. That is the only way to see when I have started. And basically that is it. That is the only way you can see when when did you start following someone on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.